Okay, so we're going to start with Botlhale. We're gonna start with Botlhale's one. This is what Botlhale says he sent to Prince Kaybee. This song. I think he's gonna play it on the thing. Let's just listen.
I've been on wake mode. I kept trying and trying.
I like this guy singing.
It was failing and failing. But I kept on going. Hope you're ready. I hope you're ready. I hope you're ready. I hope you're ready.
I'm just not sure. Maybe his voice is a little lighter. Maybe that's why Prince Kaybee didn't like to use his voice for this song. I don't know. But he sings well.
I hope you're ready. I hope you're ready. Cause I'm coming for more. I hope you're ready. I hope you're ready. I hope you're ready.
Okay, guys, now let's listen to what Prince Kaybee and TJ, I think, is the guy who is gonna do the vocals on this song. Let's hear what TJ and Prince Kaybee came up with, so we can compare the two regarding chords progression and the key, and then the vocals we want, like, because of obvious reasons. Don't mind the beat, because I mean this one is like the one that Prince Kaybee has already cooked, so already it's following a culture of house, if you can call it that way. Great voice, man. This guy sings very well. Great voice, great voice. We have to acknowledge that. I like this song. I like it. Cool. So that's TJ there, the vocalist. So what do you guys think? I mean, do these songs sound the same according to you, or they don't? According to me, if you want me to give you a verdict, I feel like this song sounds the same. Prince Kaybee just took this song, man. I think Prince Kaybee should have done the right thing. He took this song because if you check chords progression, let's look at chords progression before the key. The chords progression, it's the same. This one, Prince Kaybee's one, is also following the same progression, which is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because Prince Kaybee, he loves chords. And these are the chords that are there. Chords number 2, chord number 3, 4, 5, and 6. It's the same one as Botlhale's one. So clearly, Prince Kaybee took this song and did not acknowledge Botlhale. He probably should have credited him or called him to do the vocals, since he came up with the beat. Because whatever Prince Kaybee can say, his version is inspired by Botlhale's one. It's inspired by Botlhale's one, and even in the email, Botlhale did mention that, I know you like this kind of sound. Probably you will rock with it. You know what I mean? And then Prince Kaybee just took the song and did not include Botlhale, not even to credit him in the song, which is wrong. The challenge now Prince Kaybee has is the fact that he cannot release that song, because you remember, Botlhale did register the song already. It was a wise decision from Botlhale's one there by registering the song before sending it out and it's a good lesson to all upcoming musicians to make sure that whenever you want to send a song to a well-known DJ or producer, make sure that you've already registered the song. The song is in your name, to ensure that when things like this happen, you know that you can pack your shit up. You know you can pack your shit up. According to me, keys are different, yes, because Prince Kaybee's version is on a key of B, and Botlhale's one is on a key of D, but the progression is the same. I mean, even the strumming, even the accent of the guitar, or Prince Kaybee didn't use the guitar. We have to say he actually applied a sort of electronic piano, if you call it that way. Yeah. So I don't know what you guys think about this. Do you think it's the same? Is it the same song? Do you think Prince Kaybee should acknowledge Botlhale, or do you think Botlhale is just an attention seeker? He's just trying to get clout out of this, because we know that Botlhale is also a musician. He released a gospel song. He released a gospel song, I think early this month, and he's been doing a lot of touring around. But the fact is, this is something that needs to be resolved. I hope these guys can actually sort this thing out, because Botlhale has already registered the song, which is good, but Prince Kaybee has already teamed up with TJ here to do this duet. So we don't know. You can comment down below, leave your comment, like the video, share the video, comment, tell other people about this one, and then we'll see you in the next upload.